All right, guys, over 80% of the people start their search for a home and their mortgage online. Everybody knows this, and the numbers are only going to go up. So if you're in the business of doing loans, you're going to have to find a way to get to these people before your competition does. Loan Tech will help you organize and message your online leads, which will save you time and energy so you can close more loans. We got a recorded webinar with these guys. Loan Tech is fantastic. All you got to do is click this right over there to become more successful. Now, speaking of online leads and marketing, we're going to start your Friday off with a test to see if you can figure this out. Don't worry, it's not going to hurt your brain. Ready? Here we go. What's wrong with this picture? Go ahead, check it out. Look close here, guys. There's 6 lenders, and one of them's okay, and 5 are not. Do you have it? Do you understand? Well, I'll give you a hint if you don't. Now look at this one. There's something different here. Do you notice what the difference is? Okay, let's go back to the first. All right, now let's go back to the second. Let's go to the first. Let's go to the second. Okay, did you catch it?
Now, if you said that the first lenders did not disclose APR, you'd be right! Funny thing is, according to our source, this has been up for like 5 years now with no APR. Oops! How does this happen? I mean, not disclosing APR is a super obvious and old regulation, man. Word to the wise, make sure your marketing is buttoned up because people, they're watching.
Why do I have a feeling that there's 5 companies out there that are scrambling right now? As well you should be, guys. Hey, listen, so we were speaking with a loan officer yesterday, and our conversation turned towards fees. New fees that we've got post-TRID. Now, they've experienced 2 items with fees post-TRID that we want to bring to your attention, because I'd like to know if this is happening in your market as well. First, the cost of escrow has gone up by a couple $100 and is being disclosed as such on TRID. It's called the new escrow fee.
And this is happening with multiple providers, which means TRID has a very direct correlation to higher fees. Second, the cost of appraisals has gone up by upwards of $100. And we found this one peculiar. Here's what we think. On an appraisal, if a fee is quoted and subsequently an added fee is charged by the AMC, then it can trigger a redisclosure. So as a result, it's just easier and more expedient to change to the higher fee across the board, so redisclosure isn't triggered in the event there's an added appraisal fee.
Meaning post-TRID, everybody who's buying a house and getting an appraisal is going to pay more money in the spirit of expediency for all. Now, let's think of fees in TRID, okay? Every company has had to ramp up their compliance department with added bodies and technology. So the cost finds its way ultimately down to a rate sheet. And let's say it comes out to, I don't know, a quarter higher in fee to everybody who's going to get a loan. Now, then you gotta lock the loan for a longer period of time because escrows are taking longer. And let's say the cost for that added time is going to be an additional quarter in fee.
So you put this whole thing together, as far as we could tell, consumer protection means the consumer gets a quarter higher rate and a quarter more in fee, an additional $400 or so to boot that they have to pay and finance over the life of the loan. Now, if you think these consumer protection fees are off or wrong or incomplete, let us know what your breakdown is. How much does consumer protection cost consumers buying homes? We'll take an average and share it with you guys back on another show. And of course, we'll keep you and your companies in complete confidence. But this will be interesting. If you're worried about confidentiality, no worries. Our link to our Facebook fan page is down below where you can private message us. But if you're not worried about it, just leave us a comment down below and we'll hash through this stuff and bring it out on another show.
Personally, I'd rather them all be in one spot. Go to our Facebook page, like it, and send us a message.
There you go. Makes it easy. You guys have a great day and a fabulous weekend. We'll catch you here on Monday. Forward, share, and subscribe in your upper right-hand corner. And adios.
And by the way, for everybody who is in the central states down in the south right now who are dealing with upwards of 20 to 24 inches of rain, yikes.
Yikes.
Good luck, everyone.
All right. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.